Isa sa mga pwede nating hawakan with this kind of environment, kahit na mataas yung interest rates ngayon, is itong mga real estate investment trusts or itong M-rate, no? So, for the last few years, it's still the same, no? 14 point something lang yan, minsan nag-13 the last few weeks nung pumuntok yung war, no? Tumaas yung mga interest rates. Pero, yun nga, it maintains the dividend yield at around 6 to 7%. So with the inflation right now, yung pinakamabilis, no, 6, and yung normal ng Philippines is 2.5 to 4%. So it beats inflation plus meron ka pa and you still get to have yung capital appreciation. No, so right now tumataas siya kasi may dividend na upcoming, no. So every quarter 'yan. And prorated yan 7% prorated hati-hati for 4 quarters. Yeah, so yung next na ex-dividend date, yung ex-dividend date na yan, kapag hawak mo itong M-rate on that day, yan, even if mag-sell ka the next day, May 15, entitled ka na for the next payment date ng dividend nila sa May 29. So that's how it works. So expect na possible na bumagsak siya or possible na tumaas siya ng tumaas before that May 14. So the fair value of this M-rate is around 16. So we are not really after the capital appreciation, pero kasi malaki na yung dividend yield nito, 7%. So while waiting, yan, we can have these dividends and we can shift the capital to other assets or to other stocks later on kapag medyo okay na yung environment natin. So pero right now na medyo magulo, no, and lahat halos bumabagsak, we can bank on this M-rate. So other stocks or other rates, C-rate is actually one of the best rates out there because it's leasing to the solar energy. So pero ito, tingnan natin yung history ng dividend itong M-rate. Okay, so ayan, no, start tayo 2022 and 0.222 and now at around 2.37. So medyo maliit lang yung jump, no. So pero mararamdaman mo yan, it's still a few percentage, no, kapag pinuruhan mo to, and this kind of rate or this kind of the stock na pwede rin nating volumean. So again, with REITs, real estate investment trust, you can bank on capital appreciation. Make sure na you know the value of these companies, you know the fair value, and if it's undervalued, you can bank on it, and while waiting, you receive dividends. So that's how it works with REITs. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.